Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be installing DEPO clear taillights and clear side markers. It's actually a pretty simple process. If you guys already watched my Type S taillights swap, it's actually pretty much the same thing, where you guys go ahead and just disconnect this part, take out the hooks from both sides, just that side, and then you can just bend it down and then just connect those two bulbs and then unbolt those 8mm nuts, and then you can go ahead and take off the 10mm bolt right here, and then another Phillips screwdriver under here, where to mine is zip tie, so I have to cut it so you gain access to the two bottom bolts right here. That's a 10mm, so you can take this whole entire thing out, and then also you guys can have access to the rear side markers. Be very easy. And then for the front, if you guys don't have a fender liner, you guys could just reach underneath and just pull it out and then connect it right there. So I'll show you guys in a bit the process of how everything works. Holy cow. Clear taillights and the clear side markers makes a huge difference. Jesus. Just look at that. Damn. All right, it's a little bit windy, but this is the final touch with the TL. Oh, I don't want to say final touch, but like the install, the finish of how it looks. And god damn, this shit looks really good. It makes the black stand out like crazy, and with the chrome of the barrels of the of the exhaust and the wheels, it makes it 10 times better. And then also the chrome on top of this as well, and then clear side markers. Whew, this thing's look amazingly good. My goodness, just look at that. Clear side markers makes a really big difference. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I forgot to mention in the video, if you guys saw me put that bracket up on this side without installing the taillight, that bracket was attached to the taillight, where if you were to not connect it with the taillight, you guys can just basically just take off the taillight without having to take off the bumper, which makes it a lot easier and be a faster process. So if you guys want to swap out the taillights again or whatnot, the LED board, the bulbs, or whatever, you guys could just disconnect the 4 bolts behind it. Since the bracket right here that holds the bumper is not attached to the taillight, you guys could just take it off and put it back on. Easy process. So if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, I'll link this item down in the description below. So hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.